To create a column chart in Excel, start by highlighting the monthly data, excluding the total sales sum completely. Navigate to the Insert tab, then click on Recommended Charts option. This will display the best chart options available for your selected data range. Click on All Charts, and you will see a variety of column chart types listed below. Select any of the chart icons you prefer, and a preview of the chosen column chart will be displayed accordingly. For our task, let's use the clustered column chart, as recommended here. To create the chart successfully, simply click OK button. If you decide you don't want it anymore, you can click Cancel next to OK button. Column charts are graphical representations used to display and compare data across different categories. They consist of vertical bars, where each bar's height corresponds to the value it represents. These charts are particularly helpful for visualizing trends, making it easy to compare values at a glance. They can illustrate changes over time, differences between groups, or the composition of a whole. Column charts are widely used in business, education, and research, as they effectively communicate information clearly and concisely. By providing a visual summary of data, column charts enhance understanding and facilitate decision-making, making them a valuable tool for presentations and reports. Now, let's create another column chart that includes the total sales value. Please follow the same steps we used earlier to generate the chart. Once you've completed the chart and reviewed it thoroughly, simply click OK to proceed to the next task without any further delay. Creating a column chart that includes total sales alongside monthly data has several disadvantages. First, it can confuse viewers, as the total may overshadow monthly trends, making it hard to identify specific growth or decline periods. Second, the chart can become cluttered, leading to misinterpretation and shifting focus away from critical monthly performance. Third, it may mislead stakeholders into thinking monthly performance is stronger than it is, obscuring important fluctuations. Fourth, it complicates data storytelling, diluting the message and clarity of insights. Fifth, it can limit detailed analysis, as viewers may overlook individual month performance metrics in favor of the total, hindering a deeper understanding of underlying trends. Overall, while total sales provide context, they can hinder effective analysis of monthly performance. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. If you want to dive deeper and watch the full lesson on Excel charts and graphs, I've provided the link in the video description below. Additionally, if you'd like to stay updated with more tips and tutorials, feel free to join my WhatsApp channel by clicking the link in the channel description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you for watching.